We've got a large semi-detached property in Jesmond in Newcastle. We just wanted to extend the property back out into the back garden space. So we commissioned some architects to look into it, and we've got a long, just short of 9 metre extension that spans the width of the property.
We came across Roofmaker at one of these shows, and we found them very, very personable. We found the product was exactly what we were looking for. We didn't want a bog standard extension. We wanted something unique, we wanted something different, and that's where Roofmaker came in, because the design was totally bespoke. So the architect worked with Roofmaker and they designed this 9 metre slim, sleek, beautiful skylight, which has totally transformed the extension, hasn't it?
It's lighter, it's more airy, it feels more open. It's very much become the focal point of our property. But the roof section really is key to the whole thing, and it's so wonderfully designed and executed, really. The guys from Roofmaker, their own installers, came and fitted it.
It was like a military operation. When they came in, it was like bang, bang, bang. It went in perfectly. Yeah.
I mean, it was really hassle-free,
Yes.
totally trouble-free.
And they're a
Really happy.
really good company to work for. And I'm not just saying that because you can pick up the phone and you can talk to somebody and say, oh, what about this, what about that? They'll get back to you. It's just changed the pattern of the way we live, really, because it gravitates you there. You just want to sit there.